गोयच्या म्युनिसिपालिटी वाठारांतल्या बारवाल्यांक लिकर विकतल्यांक थाकाय मेळ्ळ्या। म्युनिसिपालिटी एरियांत 1,500 तरी बारां आनी लिकर शॉपां आसात।
Clearly clarified in their order saying that the highway ban does not apply to the liquor shops and the bar and restaurants within municipal limits. So this is a major relief to the state of Goa. 2,344 outlets are shut down till date. So we are hopeful that this order, which is giving relief to 10 cities, starting from Panje, Madgaon, Vasco, Kankon, Kudchane, Bichole, Valpai, Ponda, हांकां सगळ्यांक रिलीफ मेळिल्ली आसा। म्हणजे 10 सिटीज कुंकळे जो इफेक्टेड आशिल्ल्यो हांकां आज रिलीफ मेळ्ळ्या आनी आमकां एक आमचो अंदाजो आसा की एक अरावंड 1,300 ते 1,500 आउटलेट्स ह्या आतां सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या रिलीफांच्यान तांकां आपले बिजनसीस परती स्टार्ट करपाक मेळटली। म्हणल्यार हें तेन्नाच शक्य आसा जेन्ना एक्सायज डिपार्टमेंट आमकां एक्चुअल लायसन्सीस दिवपाक चालू करता। सो आमी सगळे रिक्वेस्ट करपाक आयिल्ले ऑनरेबल कमिशनराक की बेगिना बेगीन ही लायसन्स रिन्यूअल प्रोसेस चालू करचो म्हणून।
सरकारच्या धोरणा प्रमाण एक्सायजान बारांचो सर्वे आनी डिमार्केशन नव्यान सुरू केला।
So whatever fees etc. they have to pay, they'll pay and then we'll start with it. We don't want to delay it from our side.
Regarding some neighboring states, they have been denotified the routes, the state government. Is that possible in this?
National Highway, as Honorable CM has already clarified in Assembly also, that is beyond the purview of the state government. So whatever relief government brings to the people, the department will implement it. So relief as of now, state highway has already been denotified, and in view of recent Honorable Supreme Court's judgment, so I think a lot of people will get benefit out of it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळकार।